Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Software Testing Sapiens. So today we are posting software testing jobs in India for freshers and for experienced candidate. So let's get started. You can go to our website called Software Testing Sapiens. Hit enter. Open on first link, that is softwaretestingsapiens.com. Yes, if you are a new user, this pop-up will come up. You have to click on allow to get the future notifications in your mobile or in your laptops or computer. Just click on allow and enter your email ID and name and click on subscribe to get the future newsletters in your inbox. And you can see today we have posted jobs with the date, like today is 13th August or posted like this, or else you can find it into job feed. Go to QA Experience jobs and from there you can find it, right? 13th August, you can click on the link, then this job will open. Yes. So this time again we made these things easy. Suppose some people will be finding the jobs into the specific work location like Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Pune. If you want to find the jobs like Bangalore, for example, you can just click on the Bangalore, those jobs will come up. Or else if I want to go to NCR Delhi, click on that, then yes, Gurgaon. So with respect to the cities you can find the jobs. And again in the same we have posted HR details, like with those HRs you have to send your resume. Just click on this mail and you can attach your updated resume and you can send it to them. Okay, and next part is one more thing today I want to tell you is two new things we have added, that is first is our Telegram group, and next this LinkedIn newsletters. So we have around 5000 plus LinkedIn newsletter subscribers, so you also become a part of it. You can join our newsletter and you can daily get many software testing related material in your inbox. So just click on it. See, these are our newsletters. So these many posts till now we have posted, so it is just the beginning. So it would be good if you be the part of this community. So yeah, that's it. Let's get started with our today's jobs in our slides.